Okay, so I just watched that racist Mexican video, and my personal opinion is that you can be racist if you want, if that's what floats your boat, but don't make it public, and don't be flat out rude about it, and definitely don't be uneducated about what you're talking about. Those girls look like they were older teenagers, if not adults, and they didn't know anything about their government, and I think that is extremely irritating because they make judgments based on what they don't know. They will hopefully never ever ever be senators, lawyers, anything, because they don't know jack shit about anything. So those are my main 2 points. And then when she said Smither-fucking-Reens, that kind of bugged me too. Other than that, I think that she can think what she wants, but I don't like the rude YouTube publicness about it. That's it.